Hi everyone, I want to share something really special with you. Just now I received my silver play button on crossing the 100k subscribers and I'm very excited to unbox it. Here it is. So let's do it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Ready? Okay, I get a letter from Suzanne, who is the CEO of YouTube, and in this letter it is written, you have done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Wow, that's so sweet. It's a time to reveal the silver play button. Wow, I'm very excited. Here it is. Oh my god. So beautiful. It's been not only my effort but also the love and support of you all. I just pray to God your love and support will remain the same in my life, and thank you so much for making this possible. Thank you. And one more request to you all, please don't skip ads, because if you will skip ads I'll not get anything. Thank you so much once again.